Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best king-size fitted sheet with a deep pocket on the market. The Elegant Comfort 1500 Premium Hotel Quality Extra Deep Pocket Fitted Sheet. Designed specifically for high mattresses ranging from 18 to 21 inches, this fitted sheet promises both luxury and functionality. First off, let's talk about the fabric. This sheet is made from microfiber, boasting a 1500 thread count, which gives it an incredibly soft and smooth texture that rivals high-end Egyptian cotton. Microfiber is known for its durability, and Elegant Comfort has enhanced this with a weave that is not only soft but also resistant to shrinkage and fading. So, after multiple washes, this sheet will maintain its vibrant color and softness without the usual wear and tear. One of the standout features of this fitted sheet is its extra deep pockets, designed to fit mattresses up to 21 inches thick. Many fitted sheets struggle to stay secure on thicker mattresses, but this sheet goes a step further. It is fully elasticized around the entire edge, and it also includes 4 additional elastic corner straps. This means it hugs your mattress tightly, preventing any slipping or bunching, which is perfect for restless sleepers or those with pillow-top mattresses. A unique innovation that Elegant Comfort has introduced with this sheet is the smart storage pockets on both sides. These pockets provide convenient places to store small items such as your phone, remote, or reading glasses. It's a thoughtful touch that adds real practicality without compromising comfort or style. Speaking of style, the sheet comes in a solid color with a smooth, wrinkle-resistant finish that gives your bed a crisp, hotel-like appearance. The fabric's wrinkle-free nature means it looks fresh and neat right out of the dryer, saving you time on ironing or extra maintenance. Care is straightforward and energy efficient, as the sheet is machine washable on a gentle cycle with cold water. It dries quickly on low heat, making it an easy-to-maintain addition to your bedding. The microfiber fabric also resists stains, so it stays looking clean and new for longer. Elegant Comfort emphasizes luxury performance. Their microfiber yarns are finer, longer, and stronger than traditional fibers, providing not only a silky feel but also a long-lasting product. This sheet offers a breathable and cool sleeping experience, which is great for those who tend to overheat at night. In terms of size, the king fitted sheet measures 78 inches by 80 inches, fitting standard king mattresses with a depth of up to 21 inches comfortably. This makes it versatile enough for a variety of mattress types, including those with toppers or additional cushioning layers. The product also comes from a brand that sources quality materials internationally and is known for consistent reliability and design innovation in bedding essentials. Whether for your home or hospitality use, this fitted sheet is crafted to meet high standards and deliver a hotel-quality sleep experience. In conclusion, the Elegant Comfort 1500 Premium Hotel Quality King-Size Fitted Sheet with extra deep pockets stands out for its combination of luxurious softness, durability, and practical features like the smart storage pockets and enhanced elastic fit. If you're looking for a deep pocket sheet that will stay put on thick mattresses while offering a premium, comfortable feel, this sheet is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Sleep well.